The activity proposed by the Computer Science Department for the Comenius project, Sustainable Solutions, is titled Free Software as an Enabler for Sustainable Development. With it, students will try to see how free software, which has less demanding resources than proprietary software, can extend the lifespan of older computers so that they can be reused, for example, by disadvantaged schools and communities. To begin with, we have rescued from the trash an old computer, AMD Duron 1300 MHz with 256 megabytes of RAM and no hard disk drive. We then search for information on different current operating systems hardware requirements, and we have summarized in a comparative table 3 proprietary operating systems and 3 free. In particular, Windows 7, Vista, and XP, Ubuntu, Xubuntu, and Puppy Linux. Among the different operating systems analyzed, we choose Puppy for being the only which doesn't need hard disk drive to work. But even we had a hard disk drive, it has other advantages. It's based on the latest Linux kernel, 2.6. It can boot from a live CD or USB memory. It starts in less than a minute, typically 30 or 40 seconds. It's so small it can be loaded fully into RAM, which makes it very fast regardless of the performance of the hardware on which it's running. The data produced during the session and even the session itself can be easily stored on a USB memory. We download the ISO file from the official website. We record it on CD, and after setting the computer BIOS, we run up Puppy Live CD. Testing the environment and its applications, we find it very fast, much more than any of our computers in the lab. It also incorporates many general-purpose applications, such as Internet browser, text processor, and spreadsheet with Microsoft Office and OpenOffice file formats compatibility, bitmap and vector drawing, etc. If we had hard disk drive, could make a conventional installation to disregard the live CD in the future. The practice has drawn our attention about how free software can return useful computers that the most of us would have thrown in the trash, contributing to reuse and thereby to sustainable development.